A close-up reveals a Lego minifigure with wide eyes, clutching a tiny tissue. Suddenly, the minifigure lets out an enormous sneeze. Bricks explode in all directions, swirling around the screen in a colorful storm. Other minifigures dive for cover, as flying pieces narrowly miss them. Just as the chaos settles, everyone looks up in shock. The scattered bricks have magically assembled into a perfect, tiny Lego duck. The sneezer grins sheepishly, while the others burst into laughter. End screen. Please subscribe for more fun. Share this with a friend.